Ako po?
Oo.
Ako sure dun, sir.
Wala.
Ano natin kukunin?
Oo.
Ayan. Okay, ma'am, sir, kung napapansin niyo po, dumating the cave, napapansin niyo po sa TV ngayon po, nakikita na natin personal.
Oo nga.
Yes, diba? Okay, ma'am, sir, this is a river, this is a brackish water, where the combination is salt and fresh.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, sir, can I have tissue? Yes.
What are the do's and don'ts?
Yeah, for the nose bleeding, for English. Okay, ma'am, sir, welcome to Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park.
Bong.
Sige, salita ka na ng salita. Nagbibideo ako.
This is a river, this is a brackish water, no? For the combination is salt and fresh. And it's along 8.2 kilometers. No?
Okay.
Yes. And it's a regular tour, it's a 1.5 kilometers is going back. And 45 minutes is 1 hour. Excuse me, ma'am, the second row. Please move to the right side, ma'am.
Move to the right.
Yes,
To the right side.
Yes, para mabalance po
Balance.
natin yung boat po. Yeah. Okay, ma'am, sir, you see that, ma'am, sir, from the ceiling going down. That's a mineral water.
Okay.
You see that? You like to try? Where is it? That one. Yeah, from the ceiling
dripping.
going down. That's a
Dripping
mineral
water.
water. You like to try?
That
Okay,
one?
open your mouth. Yeah, it's not bad from the ceiling. It's something bad from the ceiling, don't try. Because from the ceiling, it's a holy shit. Hello. Good morning.
See you tomorrow.
Lost one passenger. Shut up. Not talking to you.
Yung light natin.
Where's the light?
Sir, tignan po natin i-open yung ilaw. Sir? Yes, sir. Wala ka sa parang yan. Ayos lang po yan. Medyo malakas-takas pa rin ako.
Yan. Yan ang pinaka-importante.
Wala na, hindi na makita.
Kasi po walang flash.
You have flash?
Automatic flash.
Okay, ma'am, sir, up the lights. Yes, for the brown color, the whites, that's the formations, ma'am, sir, is a rock formations. No? The rock formations, ma'am, sir, from the forest, going to inside the cave. And the formation is stalactites from the ceiling, going down. Okay.